This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean your teak with Iosso Teak Cleaner.
We have a rope burn on this teak platform, and today we're going to be cleaning it with Iosso Teak Cleaner. After we clean this teak, we'll be refinishing it with teak oil. So the first step is to wet the deck for the area that you need to clean. There we go. Now we just use the teak cleaner and we do 1 scoop per quart of water. We have 2 quarts, so I'm going to do 2 scoops. Okay. And then we want to mix that up. I'm going to use this brush just to mix it. So once the product's mixed up, all you do is apply it over the areas that need to be cleaned. No reason to scrub deeply. You just apply it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll scrub. If the area needs to be cleaned more thoroughly, you can let it sit overnight and scrub it the following day. It's been about 15 minutes, and now we take the product and we scrub it out. And we are not going to be able to get everything out. We're just going to get these black marks off. The rope burn actually requires us to re-oil the teak again. So we're just trying to get these black marks out. And I can tell already that it is already resolved that issue. These marks are disappearing. Now once we're done scrubbing, then we come back and we rinse it thoroughly. We just rinse everything off thoroughly, and then once it dries, we can apply our teak oil.
And here's a final look at our platform after we've reapplied the new teak oil.